Another one of the advancements that we've seen in podiatry over the last 25 years is the use of a handheld dynamometer, or a pressure testing type of device. So what we used to do is we used to say, press against my hand, and then we would test the other side, press against my hand, and we would try and guess as to which was the stronger of the two. So if you've had an injury, for example, on your right ankle, and you're wanting to test how much weaker that is from your left ankle, what you can do is you can use this handheld dynamometer, and it gives you an accurate actual percentage or figure of how much force in kilograms is being exerted on this side versus the other side. So it actually gives you a more accurate number, and more importantly for the person that's being tested, it gives them an arbitrary figure to be able to compare, so we can tell if you've been doing your exercises or not.